All these people picketing outside. You make me sick! You know, I only made $29 million last year. I'm basically homeless. They want us to pay all the actors. All of them? Even the ugly ones? We gave you diversity. We gave you Steve Urkel. There's a Mexican show. I forget what it's called. It's on Hulu. They even put an Indian person in WandaVision. God damn it. We let women have lines, like dialogue. These bitches be ungrateful. Hold on, I'm getting a call from Jeff. Bezos! What up, G? Yeah, that's his strategy, yeah. Just gonna wait until they become homeless. I don't know, I'm just talking shit. Fuck! I cannot wait until we get AI on board. Yeah, we already got Tupac starring in the new season of Stranger Things. You know, if I had it my way, it would just be white shows. Hot white shows. I'm talking about Riverdale. That's the problem with this industry. These people are not grateful. Oh, I was on a show for 10 years. Can I pay for my kids' healthcare? No! You are one of the ugly actors. These motherfuckers have no idea what it's like being us, CEOs. You know how long it takes to drive all the way to the upper part of Malibu? There's hills. There's rocks. It's wavy. This milk? I'm lactose intolerant. Oh, my ass. Everybody's making fun of us, man. You know how hard it is for me to do my job? To fuck over these people if they won't let me fuck them? I'm trying to fuck you, man. Let me fuck you over. If this was back in the day, we could have killed them. Yep.